today we are on lesson 12.
Alright, let's check out our table of contents. You can see we're still on multiplying whole numbers, guys. Lesson 12. And that is page 16. Multiplying a 4-digit number by a 1-digit number. Alright, let's check out our directions here. Our directions say, let me zoom in a little bit. Estimate. Circle all the problems that will have products between 18,000 and 32,000. Then find the exact products for only the problems you circled. Show your work. So we're looking for products that are between 18,000 and 32,000. So we're going to round all these to the nearest thousands place. Number 1, 8,491 times 2, we would round 8,491 to 8,000 times 2. And I know my basic multiplication fact, 8 times 2 is 16. 1, 2, 3, zeros. So 16,000. Number 1 is not between 18,000 and 32,000. Number 2, 6,148 rounds to 6,000 times 4. My basic multiplication fact, 24, 3 zeros. Yes, this will work. Number 3, 7,000 times 5, 35,000, because 7 times 5 is 35, and we have 3 zeros. Number 3 will not work. Number 4, 4,000 times 5. 4 times 5 is 20. 1, 2, 3 zeros. So 20,000. So number 4 will work. Number 5, 2,000 times 8. 2 times 8 is 16. 1, 2, 3 zeros. Number 5 is not between 18,000 and 32,000. Number 6, 2,000 times 9. Basic multiplication fact, 2 times 9 would be 18. You have 3 zeros. Number 6 will work. Number 7, you have 7,000 times 4. Basic multiplication facts, 7 times 4 is 28. 3 zeros. Number 7 will work. Number 8, you have 10,000 times 3. 1 times 3 is 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. So 30,000 will work. Number 9, 5,000 times 6. Basic facts. 6 times 5 is 30. 1, 2, 3 zeros. Number 9 will work. Number 10, 7,000 times 6. 7 times 6 is 42. 3 zeros. So number 10 will not work. Number 11, 8,000 times 4. 8 times 4 is 32. You have 1, 2, 3 zeros. So number 11 will work. Number 12, 4,000 times 7. 7 times 4 is 28. 1, 2, 3. And 28,000 is between 18,000 and 32,000. So number 12 will work. So now that we have all of our ones that we need to solve them, let's go ahead and solve them. All right, number 2. Let's go ahead and we'll do the standard algorithm here. 6,148 times 4. So we'll distribute the 4 to the units, tens, hundreds, and thousands. 4 times 8 will give me a product of 32. So put your 2 in your units place, carry your 3 tens above your tens place. 4 times 4 will give me 16 plus 3, which will be 19 tens. So we put our 9 in our tens place, and we carry our 1 above our hundreds place. So instead of 10 tens, we now have 1 100. Next, we do 4 times 1, which is 4, plus 1 will give me 5 100s. All right, and then our 4 times 6 will be 24 1,000s. So we have 24,592 is our product. All right, number 3 is not good. Number 4. All right, this one we're going to do partial products. So we're going to go ahead and list out our expanded form of 4,362. So 4,000. So basically it's the value of your thousands place, the value of your hundreds place, the value of your tens place, the value of your units place. And then we're going to take 5 and we're going to distribute that to each one of those. All right, so you have 4,000 times 5, 300 times 5, 60 times 5, and 2 times 5. All right, 4,000 times 5, get your basic multiplication fact, which is 4 times 5 is 20. And we have 3 zeros, 1, 2, 3. Basic multiplication fact is 3 times 5, which will be 15. And you have 2 zeros, 1, 2. Lining up your place values is so important here. Get your basic multiplication fact, 5 times 6, which is 30. And you have 1 0. And then finally, 2 times 5 will give me a product of 10. So we have all of our partial products. Let's go ahead and add those up to get our final product. Our units place is 0, our tens place is 1, our hundreds place is 8, thousands is 1, and 10,000s place is 2. Our final product is 21,810. All right, 5 we don't need to do. Let's check out 6. So on 6 we're going to use the lattice multiplication. All right, let's set up our box. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 digits, so each one gets its own column. And then there's one on the side here. All right, we're going to go ahead and do our diagonals. All the way across and extend, all the way across and extend. Remember, for my right degree angle, 6 times 9 will give me a product of 54. 0 times 9, you form a right degree angle, and that is where you put your products. Every one of these boxes, this is going to be your tens, units, tens, units, tens, units, tens, units. So 0 times 9 is 0. Form a right degree angle, 2 times 9 will give me a product of 18. And of course 2 times 9 will give me a product of 18. We're finished with our numbers on top and on the side. I cross those out. This will now be our units, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Let's go ahead and add all these together. Our units place would be 4, tens place would be 5, hundreds place will be 8, our thousands place will be 9, and our 10,000s place will be 1. So my product is 19,854. All right, we have 7,218 times 4. We're going to do the standard algorithm here. We're going to distribute the 4 to the units, tens, hundreds, and thousands. 4 times 8 gives me a product of 32. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 3 is 7. 7 our tens place, and then 4 times 2 is 8. And then we have 4 times 7, which is 28. So our product is 28,872. All right, number 8, we're going to Let's see, yeah, we'll do the partial products here. So we're going to go ahead and get the expanded form. So we have the thousands place, the value is 9,000. The hundreds place, the value is 800. The tens place, the value is 20. And the units place, the value is 1. And we're going to distribute the 3 to each one of these places. All right, so we have 9,000 times 3, 800 times 3, 20 times 3, and 1 times 3. 9,000 times 3, we take our basic multiplication facts on each one of these. And we're going to go ahead and multiply it. 9 times 3 is 27. 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. 8 times 3 is 24. 2 zeros. 1, 2. 3 times 2 is 6. 1 0. And 3 times 1 is 3. We have our 4 partial products. Let's get our final product. Our units place is 3. Our tens place is 6. Our hundreds place is 4. Our thousands place is 9. And our 10,000s place is 2. Our final product is 29,463. All right, number 9, we're going to go ahead and do our lattice multiplication. We have 4 numbers, so 4,762. So each one of these numbers gets a column. And then we have one number gets a row, the 6, and then we go ahead and top to bottom extend. Top to bottom extend. All right, remember, we have to form a right degree angle. 2 times 6 is 12. 6 times 6 is 36. 7 times 6 is 42. And 4 times 6 is 24. All right, we're finished with the top numbers and the side numbers. This is our ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. So our units place is 2. Our tens place is 7. Our hundreds place is 5. We're just adding these digits up now. Our thousands place is 8. And our 10,000s place is 2. So our final product is 28,572. All right, these final 2 problems, number 11 and 12, I'm going to go ahead. Well, actually, you see number 10 did not work, so that's why we're not solving that one. But number 11, we're going to go ahead and do the standard algorithm. We have 7,964 times 4. All right, 4 times 4 gives me a product of 16. 4 times 6 is 24, plus 1 is 25. 4 times 9 is 36, plus 2 is 38. 4 times 7 is 28, plus 3 is 31. So our product is 31,856. All right, number 12, our final problem of the day. We have 3,618 times 7. We're going to distribute the 7 to our units, tens, hundreds, and thousands place. So 7 times 8 is 56. Put the 6 in the units place. Carry the 5 above your tens place. 7 times 1 is 7. Plus 5 will give me 12. Your 1 goes above your hundreds. Your 2 goes in your tens. And then 7 times 6 is 42. Plus 1 will give me 43. The 4 above your thousands place, the 3 in your hundreds place. 7 times 3 is 21, plus 4 is 25. So our product is 25,326. And let's check out number 13, guys. It says, what strategies did you use to solve the problems? So basically we use the standard algorithm, which you can see right here. We use the partial products, and then of course we finally use the lattice multiplication. So you choose which method works best for you and go for it there. Appreciate everybody watching today. Look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow. All right, man. Take care.